سلام عليكم. كتب ربكم على نفسه رحمة. Peace be upon you. Your Lord has decreed that mercy is His attribute. Let me ask you something. If the Quran is clear, why are there so many different opinions? Everyone says, this is the truth, but they don't agree. So, where is the confusion coming from? Let us not blame the book. Let us understand the people. إِن يَتَّبِعُونَ إِلَّا الظَّنَّ. They follow nothing but assumption. They follow assumption. Not knowledge. Assumption. Many people don't go back to the Quran themselves. They follow what they were taught. And they never question it. إِنَّا وَجَدْنَا آبَاءَنَا عَلَى أُمَّةٍ. We found our fathers upon a way. We found our fathers not because it is true, but because it is familiar. Familiar is not always correct. في قلوبهم مرض. In their hearts is a disease. In their heart is a disease. The problem is not always the message. Sometimes it is the heart receiving it. Two people hear the same truth. One accepts it. The other resists it. أفتؤمنون ببعض الكتاب وتكفرون ببعض. Do you believe in part of the book and reject part? Part of the book and reject part. Taking what suits you, leaving what changes you. Sometimes we don't want the truth. We want comfort. أم على قلوبهم أقفالها. Or are there locks upon their hearts? Locks on their hearts. The Quran is open, but the heart is closed. So now you understand the confusion. It's not the Quran. It is in how people approach it. In the next episode, we go deeper. What does the Quran actually say about prayer? Start from episode 1 and take it step by step. Salamun alaikum.